Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator freezer door handle. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer door handle. The freezer door handle is what you use to open the freezer door. The minute you'll be changing it out so if it's lost or damaged and you can't open the freezer door. The freezer door handle is held on by a set screw on one side. We're going to use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to loosen it up. Once you have the set screw loose, we can pull the handle off the mounting pin, and then we have to slide it to the right so the other end releases. Once you have it free, you can pull it off. Once you have the handle free, you can pull it off the door. If you try to take your handle off and the left side won't unlock, you may have the style that's locked on there. So you may have to open up the freezer door. Then we have to lift up on the handle like this and get it angled back towards the refrigerator and lift it off. Once you have the freezer door handle off, we can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old freezer door handle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to swap the handle parts over to the new one before we can put it on. We put a towel down so you don't scratch the table. In order to change the parts over, we're going to first run the set screw in. We're going to grab the 2.5mm Allen wrench again and just screw it down so it's all the way in. And then we're going to grab a Phillip screwdriver, and on each end we have to take this screw out. And then once you have the screw unscrewed, it may not come out, but you can pull the whole assembly out. To put it in, we're just going to flip the screw out and then slide the assembly into the handle. And you want to make sure that the end cap and everything snaps on. Then we're going to grab the Phillips screwdriver, put in the screw to hold it on. Once you have the screw tightened down, we're going to grab the 2.5mm Allen wrench and loosen the screw up again. Once you have it loosened up, we can do the one on the other end. The one on the other end comes out the same way. Just use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw. You can slide it out, flip the screw out, and then slide it into the new one. Making sure that the end cap snaps on. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screw again. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can put the new freezer door handle onto the door. To put the new freezer door handle on, we're just going to lift it up onto the mounting peg and then slide it to the left to lock it in, making sure that the end cap doesn't hit the pin. Once you have that on, we can line up the handle on the right side, push it on, and then we can close the door and use the 2.5mm Allen wrench to tighten down the set screw. Now that we have the freezer door handle installed, we can plug the refrigerator back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.